I'm Holly Bath. I travel throughout the country helping to manage and change difficult classroom behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. I keep hearing that building relationships with students is crucial for improving classroom behaviors, but I have so many students. What can I do? How can I relate to them all? Great question. I think you might be working too hard. When I go into schools, I really make it a point to make sure when I walk down the halls, I make eye contact. I might do a little wave, or I might say good morning or good afternoon or hey, nice to see you today. That's all part of building relationships. I don't know those kids' names. I do try to learn as many names as I possibly can. I always say, my specialists can do it, my admin can do it, so I'll give it a go. But you're not going to have, real deep relationships, if you will, with every single kid in your class or every single kid in the building. But you can shift that community feeling of relationship building if every adult made the effort to acknowledge people in the hallway, acknowledge people at lunch, walk around, sit with kids, eat with them, say hello. That's how we build relationships. So don't overthink it. Don't work too hard. You're not going to know everything about every kid in your class or in your building. Relationships are just making sure that we notice people. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.